Hey guys, welcome back to Games Mods. I believe I have something here from a guy on Etsy. I think this is Frontline Foam. I forget. But basically, it's the tactical handle ammo holder for the Nerf XL, either the boom dozer or the double crusher. Let's go and open this. Alright, pretty self-explanatory. It's just one piece, no instructions, no paperwork. Fine with me. Let's get the double crusher up here. You already know that we did the buckshot mod on it. These are to hold, I believe, just the regular standard darts here. Let's see, is this just going like this? Maybe? Maybe not? Maybe this way? That doesn't seem right. Let me try it on the boom dozer. Well, it does fit on here. Looks a little odd, you know, there's space in there. I'm gonna have to look and see exactly which blaster he has on. But this holds an extra 6 shots. So if you are still using, you know, the original barrel that came in this, you can put an extra 6 in here, which is pretty cool. Just finesse them in. And you can even put a scope up here because this is Picatinny rail. This is a 3D printed part, so be gentle with it when you're installing it. Don't try to bend it anywhere. But yeah, works just like that. Yeah, and then you can just put a sign on there, you're good to go. Alright, very cool. I'll leave the link down in the description for this thing if you guys want to use it. Or if you just want to stick to the short darts, that's fine with you. Fine with me too. Just thought it'd be an option because I may keep one of these as a short dart and then the other one for like the actual blaster it was meant to be. I haven't decided which one yet, but yeah, that's a pretty cool attachment. I hope they come out with more stuff for the Mega XL line. Just because I think it's going to be used a lot versus, you know, Hyper and what was that other one that came out? The garbage one, Ultra. But yeah, highly recommend this. It's very cool. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Please like, follow, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.